Hi, second graders. Mrs. Ishams here. We are going to start a new topic for its number 14, and this video is going to be 14.1. We are still going to continue working with money, and our video for today is we're going to be adding money together. Let's get started. Words to know. Say it. Words to know.
Words to know.
Symbol.
Symbol.
Cent.
Cent.
Ones.
Ones.
Tens.
Tens. Here is a story. Luke has 46 cents. Tara has 37 cents. How much money do they have altogether? How much money does each child have?
Does anybody remember how much Luke had and how much Tara had?
Luke has 46 cents and Tara has 37 cents. What do you need to find?
What was the question asking us to do? Who remembers?
You need to find how much money they have altogether.
What does it mean to find all together? What operation are we using? If you're in Mrs. Isham's class, you know the handle. Please do one. All together, we are going to be adding.
Adding 46 cents plus 37 cents is like adding 46 plus 37. Why is adding 46 cents plus 37 cents like adding 46 plus 37?
Why would 46 cents plus 37 cents be just like adding 46 plus 37? Not right now. Why would it be?
The numbers are the same and you add them in the same way.
They're the same numbers, and then we're going to be adding the exact same way we add two-digit numbers.
What do you do differently when you add money?
But what's different from these two numbers, adding these two equations?
When adding money, you use the cent symbol.
Yeah, if we aren't using the cent symbol, Mrs. Isham won't know we're using money. I could be talking about 46 puppies plus 37 puppies, or 46 crayons plus 37 crayons. We have to have a cent symbol, that way we know we're talking about money.
How do you write the problem when you add money?
How would we write the problem?
Line up the tens and ones places.
We're going to stack them, and you're going to line up the tens and the ones. So 46 and 37, the 6 and the 7 are going to line up because those are the numbers in the ones place. And we're going to line up the 4 and the 3 because those are the numbers that are in the tens place.
Write the cent symbol.
You can't forget the cent symbol because maybe I think you're probably talking about puppies.
How do you solve 46 cents plus 37 cents?
Which place value would we start with? The tens or the ones? You're right, the ones.
Add.
Why would we add the ones first? Is it because in case we might have to regroup the ones place? If we started with the tens and we already added the tens place and we didn't do the ones, look, we're might have to regroup here.
Add the ones first.
Ooh, doubles plus 1. We see a double. 6 plus 7 is a double plus 1. We know 6 plus 6 is 12. So 6 plus 7 is 13.
Regroup.
We can't have 13 in the ones place, so we're going to leave the 3 and regroup the 10 ones as 1 10. We're going to put it in our little box up there.
Then add the tens.
We have 1 10, 4 tens, and 3 tens. Ooh, in Mrs. Isham's head, I take that 1 and I add it to the 3, so that's 4. And then that makes it really easy because I know my doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8.
the cent symbol.
Gotta write the cent symbol because if not, I think you're probably talking about puppies.
The sum is 83 cents.
83 cents.
How much money do Luke and Tara have all together?
How much do they have all together, class? Let's say it together. 83 cents.
There is 83 cents altogether. Now you see how to add money.
Now we know how to add money together. All right, let's get out our magazine of 14.1. It has the fun fruit on it. We are going to be adding fruit together on our front page. So we have a watermelon that's worth 47 cents, an apple worth 23 cents, grapes worth 19 cents, a banana worth 38 cents, oranges worth 25 cents, and a pineapple worth 45 cents. We are going to be adding fruit together. The first fruit I would like to add together is the apple. The apple is worth 23 cents. So I'm going to write, we're going to stack it. So 2 in the tens, 3 in the ones place. Don't forget our cent symbol. And that is the apple. And then let's add, how about the banana? That is worth 38 cents. So 3 in the tens and 8 in the ones place. And don't forget your cent symbol. Do you see how Mrs. Isham lines up her tens and her ones? If you don't, and it looks like this. Ooh, that could be super confusing because that looks like 8 plus nothing and 3 plus 3 and then 2. Ugh, we don't like that. So make sure you line them up. Now, remember, we always start adding with the ones place first. So the numbers we're adding in the ones place is 3 and 8. I hold 8 because it's a bigger number, 8, and we're counting on 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, can we have 11 in the ones place? No! What do we need to do? Let's hear it. Regroup! You're right. We need to regroup. So, it was 11, so leave the 1 in the ones place and regroup the 10 ones as a 1, 10 in the tens place. Ooh, Mrs. Isham in her head, I do 1 plus 2 is 3. That makes it easy because that's a double. And we really know our doubles as second graders. 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm done. No, Mrs. Isham, what did I forget? The cent symbol. How much did the apple and the banana and banana cost all together? How much did the banana and the apple cost all together? 61 cents. Awesome job. Now let's add the watermelon. The watermelon costs 47 cents. Mrs. Isham spelled banana wrong. We're going to do, what did I say, watermelon? 47 cents. And then the pineapple. Pineapple sounds really good. 45 cents. Can't believe Mrs. Isham. Everyone makes mistakes. Okay. Remind me, which place value do we add first? The ones place. We have 7 plus 5. Ooh, in Mrs. Isham's head, I do know 5 plus 5 is 10, and then add 2 more on to make 7 is 12. Uh-oh, can I have 12 in the ones place? Nope, we need to regroup. We leave the 2 in the ones place and regroup the 10 ones as 110. Ah, look it. 4 plus 4 is a double. We know that really, really quick. 4 plus 4 is 8. And we need to add our 1 is 9. 92. No, Mrs. Isham. Don't forget the cent symbol. The watermelon and the pineapple. Cost 92 cents all together. Last but not least, what should we do? What am I feeling? Maybe the grapes. Grapes are worth 19 cents. And what about, ooh, the orange. That looks good. Get your vitamin C. Okay, we're adding them all together. Oh, look at here. Remember, we always add the ones place. We have a 9 and a 5. Mrs. Isham's trick, adding 9s. What Mrs. Isham does, I pretend that 9 is a 10, and I add the 5, because adding 10s are super, super easy. We can do that in our head. 10 plus 5 is 15, but we don't have 10. We are adding 9, so we need to take 1 away. So 15 minus 1 is 14. So then we know 9 plus 5 is 14. Can we have 14 in the ones place? No! So we need to regroup. Leave the 4. Regroup the 10 ones as 110 in the tens place. Ooh. In my head, do 1 plus 1 is 2. Then I can do that double. 2 plus 2 is 4. And don't forget your cent sign. Awesome, possum, second graders. We did a great job with our first page of our magazine. Let's just take a peek on the inside. Ooh, maybe I should get a new magazine. That way you can kind of see what's going on. Okay, it looks like here we are just going to be adding 2-digit numbers together, but we need to do the cent symbol. It's just like adding 2-digit numbers together, and you guys can do it because we already have done 2-digit numbers. We have mastered 2-digit numbers, and we're mastering 3-digit numbers. So this will be super, super easy for you. Just make sure you add the ones place first, and if you need to regroup and use that box. Now, what if you don't need to regroup? What if you don't need to regroup? Do you have to use that box? No! If you don't need to regroup in the ones place, leave that box empty. Alright, second graders, I will leave you to it to finish your magazine. If you have any questions, give a holler to me or any of the other teachers, and we would be glad to help you. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye!